What is SEO or search engine optimization? Hi, I'm Dr. Vasim Shaikh. In today's video, we will see how to optimize your article for search engines so that it is easily discoverable online and it is ranked higher in online searches. SEO your article. Search engine optimization helps you to ensure that your article appears higher in the results returned by the search engines like Google, Yahoo or Bing. SEO will also help your article to appear higher in the results returned by the search engines from the publishing agencies like Elsewhere, Wiley or Taylor and Francis. So suppose a researcher goes and visits these sites and individually they will type some keywords in the databases of these publishing companies or agencies or maybe journal, then your paper should appear higher in the search results. So that is the aim of doing a search engine optimization that will help the researcher when their article is searched on any platform. It might be in any website, it might be in the Google search engines or search bars or any publishing agency, or specifically when people are searching for articles in the journal homepage. What is the output of SEO? This means that you attract more readers, you gain high visibility, and finally because of that people will read your article more and cite your article more. So more citation, that means people know you more, you are more popular, and then your research will be read throughout the globe, and that will open up lot of avenues and lot of opportunity for you as a researcher. What are some tips for doing the SEO of your article? Let us see how to proceed. The first thing is use frequently search keywords. Use keywords in the title of your research paper, use keywords in the abstract, and especially in the first 2 or 3 lines of your abstract, you should include the regular or most frequently used keywords. Add captions with keywords to the images, photographs, tables, and graphs of your article. Even add keywords to your headings and subheadings in the research article. So what will happen when you do all these things, when you put these keywords in these headings? So most of the time what happens is people try to search article based on the keywords. So when they type these keywords in the search engine, the databases, they will search for title, abstract, the headings and so on, and they will try to push up your article in the searches. So imagine if someone types a keyword and your article appears in the first 3, 4 or 5 searches, and it is more likely to be clicked. Now you might think, from where I will get these keywords? So I'll give you 3 tips to find keywords. The first is a add-on which you can add to Google Chrome browser, or you can add to Mozilla Firefox browser. That add-on is keywords everywhere. So you can just search for keywords everywhere and you can do an add-on in the Mozilla or Google Chrome. What will happen is, keywords everywhere is such an add-on. Whenever you do any search on Google with any keyword, at the side it will give you the related keywords. So now you might think that these are the related keywords, and then people search these keywords more often on these websites, and then you can try to put these keywords in your title or in your abstract. The second one is, you can go to Google, you can type the keyword, any keyword which is related to your research work. At the end, at the bottom of the Google search, you will find related search terms. So you can also look into the related search terms and you can put these related search terms in your title, abstract or headings. The third one is Wikipedia. So I generally don't recommend Wikipedia, but for keywords it is a good site. Suppose, just as an example, if you search turning operation in Wikipedia, then that page will open. As soon as that page opens, you can see what are the headings and subheadings of turning operation in Wikipedia. These are also very important. You can try to put these headings or subheadings from Wikipedia in your title or in your abstract. So these 3 techniques are very important when you want to find out any keyword. This will help to make sure that your article is appearing or it is discoverable online. Second one is external links. Make sure that your article is linked everywhere to your profile. If for an example you are working for an institute, so you can put up your article on your institute, or you can put up a link for the article on the institute. Third thing is incorporate social media. So you can tweet your article, you can post your article on LinkedIn, you can put your article on Facebook, or if you are a vlogger, like you are making videos, in your videos also you can promote your article. That is how you try to create an SEO for your article. That means more people are talking about it, more people are sharing it, more people are reading it, and any search engine will look into this, how many times that article has been clicked, and as it is clicked more, it is more discoverable online. So to summarize, I can say that by adopting these few techniques for SEO or optimizing the search of your article will be more discoverable online, you will get more citations, your article will be very popular, and this will open up a lot of avenues which will benefit you in future. Thanks for watching. All the best.